donuts out of biscuits, right? And you did them 8 minutes in the
Toaster oven.
in the toaster oven.
Air fryer.
Air fryer, yes, sorry. Now she's rubbing butter on them. Huh?
It's supposed to be melted.
Oh, melted. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's supposed
But-
to be, but it wasn't.
But because it was hot, it didn't matter. And now she's putting them in cinnamon sugar. So
Your husband ate a whole thing of almost.
oh wow.
Except for it.
Supposed to put it in a bag, guys. All right, I gotta try one. Yum, yum. Look at that, guys. Mm.
Only good hot.
Only good hot. So let's taste this. That's good, Mom.
Yeah, they are. I was in a hurry. Next time we'll do it properly.
That's good. So that's your quick recipe for the day.